Behind every successful mobile app lies a vision brought to life through expert design and flawless development. In an era where your app competes with millions for user attention, standing out isn't just an advantage, it's essential for survival. Over 85% of mobile users expect apps to perform better than their mobile websites. At Vikilinks, we don't just meet these expectations, we exceed them through our comprehensive mobile app development approach. Mobile apps aren't just products, they are experiences that live in your users' pockets. Our development team brings together artistic vision and technical excellence, creating apps that don't just function, they delight. From native iOS and Android development to cross-platform solutions, we architect applications that scale with your business. Like composers crafting a masterpiece, we orchestrate clean, efficient code that performs flawlessly. Our designs respond intuitively to every screen size, while seamless offline functionality keeps your users connected even when their internet isn't. We implement robust security measures to protect user data, ensuring lightning-fast load times and smooth animations that keep users engaged. We believe in transparency and collaboration throughout the development process. Our Agile methodology means you're not just a spectator, you're a valued partner in the creation of your app. From initial wireframes to final testing, every step is a collaborative milestone that brings your vision closer to reality. Modern apps demand modern solutions. That's why we integrate advanced analytics for user behavior tracking, machine learning capabilities for personalization, and IoT compatibility for connected experiences. Our cloud integration ensures scalable performance, while social media integration builds thriving communities around your app. Each app undergoes rigorous testing across multiple devices and scenarios. We don't just test for functionality, we ensure your app delivers a consistent, high-quality experience across every possible user interaction. Technology evolves, and so should your app. We build with scalability in mind, ensuring your application can grow and adapt to new features, increased user loads, and emerging technologies. Launch day isn't the end, it's just the beginning. Our dedicated support team ensures your app stays current with regular security updates, performance optimisations, and feature enhancements. We handle platform compatibility updates and provide continuous bug fixes and maintenance, letting you focus on growing your business while we keep your app running smoothly. Your app idea deserves more than just development, it deserves excellence. Contact us today and let our mobile app development team transform your vision into a digital reality that users will love. Your next successful app begins with a conversation.